Color palettes and color slots are located on the top left of the canvas. In the animation desk, you can create and manage color palettes in different ways. For quick access, there are 5 color slots on the toolbar. Click on the color slot to change its color. You can create color palettes manually or from an image in Animation Desk. Click the Color Palette button. Click the Add button to manually add colors into a color palette. You can select colors on the color wheel or mix a color by entering the hue, saturation, and value. Moreover, you can analyze the color composition of an image and turn them into a color palette. Start by selecting an image. The app analyzes and extracts the colors from the image. Before saving the results, you can remove the unwanted colors or add new colors with the color eyedropper. You can rename this color palette. Click the button to view all color palettes.